Hi everyone, hope you guys are having a good day. So today we're still going on with our fractions. This is Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade Module 4, Lesson 13. I'm Mr. Short. Hopefully you hit that subscribe button by now. I got a lot of people watching but not subscribed. It's very interesting to me. But we're working on it. It's getting better. We're getting closer to the goal to help my class out. All right, so today we're going to plot the fractions on the number line, use our greater than, less than, equal to compare the fractions. So then we're going to show either over here. Remember, we always say the mouth would eat the bigger one, or if we're equal, we put the equal sign. I don't know why the camera's bouncing. I apologize. Let me see if I get that to stop. I think it stopped. I don't know. This camera's crazy sometimes. All right, so let's look. We have our 0, half, and 1. So we want to figure out, our first one is 3/7. 3/7. Now, what I always like to tell my classroom and we always talk about is seeing if we know what half is. What's half of 7? And that's a tough one because it's not an even number, right? It's not like you can't say it's not 3 plus 3 because that's 6. It's not 4 plus 4 because that's 8. It's actually 3.5. So 3.5 is 7. So just smaller than that, right? Just smaller than that, because 3.5 is half of 7. This is going to be just a little bit smaller. So right around here, we're going to say 3/7. Okay? So we got that one. 4/6. Let me sharpen my pencil real quick. If we look at 4/6, what is half of 6? What plus what equals 6? The same number. Well, that would be 3. So this is 4/6, which is 1 bigger than 3. So that 4/6 is going to be somewhere over here. Let's just put it there. We're not worried about exact. We're not going to draw these out right now. We want to just kind of be close enough so we can make our comparisons over here. And we'll be able to do that with what we're doing. Okay? I sharpened my pencil so I can make this 3 look better, and then I didn't do it. 3. There we go. All right, and our last one, 2/9. Well, what's half of 9? It's another funny looking number. It's not going to be a nice number. It's going to have a decimal point because 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. So that means it's going to end up being 4.5. So 4.5 is here. We're at 2. We're nowhere close to that, right? We're way down here. So we're going to say it's probably about down here. All right, so now let's go through and do our comparisons. We have 1/2 and 4/6. Well, 4/6 is the other side, right? Bigger than 1/2. So we do our sign that way, eating the bigger one. 3/7 and 1/2. Well, we have 1/2 here and 3/7 here. So 1/2 is bigger. It's closer to 1. Right? That means you get a bigger piece if you're eating half of the number line instead of the 3/7, which is smaller. So we're going to eat the bigger one. Sorry, I thought I was going to sneeze there a second ago. I had to stop myself. All right, now we have 4/6 and 2/9. So here's 4/6 and here's 2/9 down here. Yeah, the 9's bigger on the bottom. That's true, but it's a lot less of a piece. It's not even half of this piece that you'd get to eat if you were hungry. Where 4/6 is bigger than half. So we definitely would want to eat that part. And then our last one, 2/9 or 3/7. Again, this is nowhere close to half, and this is close to half. This is only like 0.5 away from half. So this one's definitely going to be bigger. Okay, nothing equal there. All right, on the bottom, when you're on your own to figure it out, make sure you write your 1/2 in the middle and use that to help you line these up. Okay, let's look at the bottom. Explain how you can use the benchmarks 0, 1, half, and 1 to compare the fractions. Then write the greater than, less than, or equal to sign to compare the fractions. So this is exactly what we did up here. Exact same thing. So you're going to draw your number line out. Put 0, you're going to put 1, you're going to put half. And now you got to figure out where 1/7 goes and 1/9 goes and mark them on here. And the one that's closer to getting 1 is what you want. Same thing down here on this one. Same thing. Remember, here's the trick with fractions, though. If the top number is the same, the smaller the bottom number, the bigger the piece you get. Just think about it. If you have one pizza, do you want one piece sharing with 7 if you cut up the whole pizza? So if they cut it in 7 pieces and you get one of those, or if they cut it into 9 pieces and you get one of those, which one's going to be bigger if it's the same size pizza? Think about that. All right, do the same thing on this one down here. On the back, which is page 80. Draw a quadrilateral that has 2 right angles and is not a rectangle. Quad means 4. Work that one out. Ooh, place value chart for division. So we got to do 4,869 divided by 3. All right, we can do that. So 4,000s, 1, 2, 3, 4. 800s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 9 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And parents, this is the easiest way to divide as long as it's a smaller number. Trust me. So we have one group's going to go here, 2 here, and 3. So that's where we're going to divide this into 3. All right. Do we have enough to put 1,000s in every spot? We have 3 spots. We have 4. So that's what we do. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. The thousands are gone. We have 1 left. Cross that off. Bring it over here. Now you need to make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I use the X's so that we know we brought them over. You can use the circles too. That's fine. I'm just doing it so we don't get confused. All right, the hundreds. We have a few of them. So let's look. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we just added 10 more. So that's 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We still have enough to do some more. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means we can go to each spot 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? We used all of those. So we are good. The tens. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. 3 left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oops. Hold on. I hit a button by accident. There we go. We're back. Sorry about that. My hand accidentally hit the mouse button. All right. On the ones, we need to put those in our 3 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 3 left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now we count. How many is in each section? Well, we have 1 in the thousands. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the hundreds. 2 in the tens. And 3 in the ones. So our number is 1, 6, 2, 3. 1, 6, 2, 3. 1, 6, 2, 3. They messed up here because this says divided by 3 and they gave you 4 spots. So don't worry about this one. That is a mess up by the book manufacturer, not you. We're only dividing by 3, so it should be 3 spots. And that gives you your answer right here, 4, 8, 6, 9. All right. Hope that one helped you out with that. As for me, that's all for me today. Again, I'm Mr. Short, Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade, Module 4, Lesson 13, pages 78, 9, and 80. And as always, have a good night.